First 5.
Good team, good luck. Good luck, good luck. Shoutout muna tayo sa G&G Apparel and Tom Fan Tire.
Share the live and let everyone enjoy the game.
Okay. Bola now. Shootix. Bola now.
Number
Transfer to play.
100. Magta-transfer kayo guys.
Jersey number 7. Pupukol. Good for 2 points. Romero now.
First possession.
Robin violation.
Essentials.
Ang tawag ni ref. Garcia.
Here goes.
Jersey number.
Araneta, no good.
Out of bound.
Shout out to Ren Fernandez.
Now. Romero faster.
Here goes Zordon to number 25.
Turnover. Garcia nagpapalaki.
Dance pull up, no good. Rebound by Sulit.
Malakas ang tira.
Here goes number 4.
JB.
Louis discarded. There's a foul called sa baba.
JB.
Number 14, Otton. That's your first personal foul. First team foul
Romero.
para sa team Sonics.
Ayan na si Medjola. Medjola. Side step.
Ala pang yun. Villaflor, setting the play. There goes Hans.
Turnover.
Hans.
Ang nakuha.
Ano ito po bilhin ito? Villaflor. No good. Rebound by Otton. Otton dumidiskarte, dumiretso, nilapag, wala. Rebound by Pablo. Pablo looking for his teammate. Time to shoot.
Pre, nandiyan mo yung shot lock, pre.
Guzman.
There's a foul called sa baba. Number 3, Hans. First personal foul, Hans. First team foul. Team essential.
JP.
Pablo, traveling violation. Shout out to Ren Bernardes, silent live viewers. You guys are watching Tuesday Kings Basketball League. Javi, welcome back. Here goes Hans. Sulit, long 3, no good. Pablo, easy down. Otton. Ayan na, dumiskarte. Wala. Villaflor. Sa kanya pa din. Copy ka ng bola.
JB again. JB fake. Puro jump. Wala. Jersey number 8. Wala pa rin. Medjola rebound.
Otton.
Jola.
To number 7. Good pass there. Wolf.
Wanted to shoot. Guzman.
Javi.
Quick.
To number 4.
For 2 points by Mr.
Timeout.
He scored.
Team Kuya. Team Sonics.
He scored.
Sonics ball.
Balikatan lang ang labanan. Guzman. Hindi alam kung sino. Yun,
Ano pinito ng pre? Refugio?
para kay jersey number 69. Romero now.
That's Wolf.
Pero sumalaksak to JB. Malakas ang tira.
Shout out Sheena Santiago.
Guzman to jersey number 8.
Refugio. Setting the play. Dumiskarte.
JB again. JB.
Wala. Rebound pa din niya. Agawa ng bola.
Jola.
Bola ng yellow.
Jola to Guzman to jersey number 18. Pasok na. In and out pa. Romero.
Araneta.
Romero.
Ayun na, dumiskarte.
Jersey number
Sulit.
69. That is your first personal foul. First team.
Villaflor, open 3.
Shout out.
Villaflor, 3 points. First 3-pointer of the game. Brought to you by Tufan Dera. Shout out sa ating live viewers.
Second bonus
Sa ating
foul.
mga sponsors dyan, G&G Apparel, located at Aldana Center, Alriga.
Rebound short.
Tufan Tires,
10 to shoot.
located at Dera. This foul code number 14. Autumn, second personal foul,
First foul.
second team foul.
Jersey number 69, that is yours.
5-0 pa din ang ating score sa ating first quarter. Ayun, good pass there. Javi, 2 points. Nice feed by Hans.
Wala. Second throw, shout out sa G&G Apparel and Tufan Tires. Kings Basketball.
Still pa din.
For 1 point.
Agawan ng bola. Who's foul? Number 7, Refugio.
Menjola.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Menjola to Blooming.
Great hustle by Hans.
To Jersey number 69, spin.
Offense connection and defense connection. But Hans, palad. Sulit. Sulit, no good. Rebound by Javi. Nawala ang bola. Refugio. Fast break. Another steal there.
Start. That is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Wala tayong
Score
tubig.
9-8 in favor by Brits. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oton.
Pasok.
Sidestep. No good. Rebound by Sulit. Bilya flow. Good pass.
Timeout.
Was foul called Wolf.
Brits.
Number 9, Wolf. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots for Araneta.
Score 10-9. Change favor na tayo para sa shoot.
First shot is good.
Okay, back to the
Shout out Nico Saldua. Maglaro ka, idol. Sayang ang uniform.
Back to the ball game.
Oton. Evangelista, step back. Pass to Wolf. Into the basket. No good. Rebound pa nila. And then, nakagaw ng number 11 yan. Here goes Javi. Sulit. To Villaflor. Open 3 again.
To the Vera.
Not this
To
time.
JB again and
Matamlay ang ball movement ng Team Sonics.
4 points. Ay! Traveling violation.
Meron tayong free t-shirt sa ating fans of the night or face of the night. It will be announced after the game.
Rivera to third to Rivera.
Brought to you by G&G
Rivera for
Apparel.
3. Wala.
Located
Evo.
at Aldana Center.
Second number 18. Good
Sa ating best player, meron tayong free change oil and free alignment. Brought to you by Tufan Tires.
Rivera.
Meron din tayong Umac Express Cargo dyan. Free large balikbayan box. That's all for the first 2 points of the game para sa Team Sonics. Here goes Wolf. Steal and then layup. Eugenio. No good. Refugio, sorry. Refugio pa rin. Timeout! Team Essentials.
Tubig nandito sa court 2. Tubig nandito sa court 2. Nandito si Shooting. 50 seconds remaining in first quarter.
Araneta. And then there's a foul called. Who's foul? Otten. Third personal foul penalty.
10 to shoot. Wala pa. To JB, goodbye. Last 35 seconds.
Javi connects. Two free throws.
To Guzman.
Paulo is starting to play this time. Refugio.
Wala na shot.
Refugio humihingi ng screen. De derecho. Ayan na. Wala. Rebound by Evangelista. Wala pa din. Otten. Here goes 2 points by Otten. Another steal by Wolf. Wolf
Good for 2 points.
to Refugio.
Again, to
Wala.
Rivera again.
Refugio pa din. Wolf. Ayan na si Wolf. Dilapag. Wala.
Sayang para kay Jola.
Araneta. There's a foul called sa baba. Pero penalty tayo. Number 25. First personal foul penalty.
Second quarter na tayo. Back to the ball game. Second team.
Araneta, first shot is good. Tutunog na lang yan, mga parigoy.
Pagala mo. 5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Second shot is good.
Bola ng Brits.
End of the second quarter.
Yung hindi nakakalaro, sir.
Upper score.
I will try to come tonight. Then I will come tomorrow morning.
Ay! Turnover is the ball.
Thank you. Pwede man pili.
Bola, please. Pasa nyo na.
Papalero. That's Papalero. 3 points. Makakahabol na kaya ang Team Sonics. Foul called. Number 25, Miranda. First personal foul. First team foul. Here goes Fernandez. To Ace. TLS. Cross pass to De Jesus. 14 to shoot. Mike, long three, no good. Good rebound there by Rad. Miranda.
Turnover.
Nice one. Takbo na, yan.
Papalero. To Rad. Open three. Rad. No good. Agawa ng bola. De Jesus is there. Ace. Ibababa ang bola. Mike is there. Fernandez. Open three. In and out. Good shot there, but didn't connect. Miranda. Turad. Ayan na si Delarama. Nilabas. 14 to shoot. Same ball. 12 to shoot. Ten to shoot. Miranda. Turad. 5. Good connection there. Ganda ng pasa. Mike. Apat na yan. Good defense by Delarama.
Bola nagdadalang bola. Ball. Set the play.
Uy, Papalero! Ni Yoyo pa. Ang bilis naman maka-all. All 13 na. Ay. De Jesus. Wala. Isa pa ulit. 2 points by De Jesus. Masakit daw ang tuhod niya. Pero sa kaunti pa.
Salinas, good for 2 points.
Miranda. Papalero, 14 to shoot. Vinias. Delarama. No good. Rebound by Mike.
In favor by Brits.
Mike
Shout out sa GN.
using his body. 2 points in an N1 play. Number 25, Miranda. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Second now. Complete the 3-point play by Karandang.
Let's go. Bola ng Brits.
Balik sa limang kalamangan.
Montoya, power move.
Papalero. No good.
For 2 points by jersey number 6.
Yeah,
Manalo.
Miranda. Uy, grabe naman yun, sir. 14 to shoot.
Manalo.
Wala. Rebound by Vinias. 2 points. Ace. Nakalusot. 2 points. Time out. Nabigay na pre. Nabigay na.
Masuk.
Relax, Gani.
Wala. Rebound ni Montoya.
Last 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Starting second quarter.
Now, Paul, Chris Paul. Ayun na, sasalak.
10 to shoot.
Boy.
Papalero. 3.
Jersey number 13. Number 10.
Karandang.
Kaskamay.
Uy. Another foul call. Timeout. Sonics, number 18.
Now, Ayaw na bumaba ni jersey number 6.
Pre, Rackley. Rackley.
Double, double, double.
Pre.
Astoy. Airball.
Who's foul?
Javier now. Javier.
Number 11.
Granda.
Vinyas. First personal foul warning for penalty.
Hindi ka na mabayaan. Dahan-dahan lang. Upside.
First shot, Jesus is good.
Diego Polanca to Javier. Good for 2 points. Score 22-19. Tatlo na lang kalaman.
Iba pa yung... Iba pa yung...
Now set the play.
Still.
Ball again.
Bilis.
14 to shoot.
Corner, meron.
Ace is good.
Sigo.
There's a foul call.
Pasok.
Who's foul?
Para kay Salinas.
25.
Penalty, tol.
Penalty. Ilan si Miranda?
Easy pasok para kay
Third personal foul, Miranda. Okay lang mag-foul. Ibig sabihin dumidepensa ka.
Lasi. Paul.
Mga nilalamig yung idol ko Idol IQ.
Paul.
Secret weapon.
Na-shoot
14
ba?
to shoot.
First shot, no good.
10 to shoot. Manalo. Laban. Again.
Wala ba din?
Ayan na. Javier. Ayan na si Suke.
De La Rama.
Bye-bye. Time
Good defense by TLAs. Ayan na.
Score 25-23. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol na shoot.
Sige, diba ka? Bas kamay. Box out kayo. Ang tatalon lang yung nasa gitna.
Another foul, number 11.
Okay, back to the
Second
ball game.
personal foul, Vinyas. Penalty. Alert tayo sa ating mga fans dyan. Meron tayong papamigay na free t-shirt. Sponsored by G&G Apparel. Located at Aldana Center, Alariga. Ground floor.
Outside, G&G Apparel.
Sino yung minamatay?
And Taufan Tire.
Alam na ko sino yung
Kings
minamatay.
Basketball. Face of the night.
Number 22 to number 25, Miranda.
Garrett. Park. Manalo. Wala.
Number 22, Rad. Wala pa din.
Javier. Oy.
Ang gawa ng bola.
Javier again.
Fernandez is there.
Power move. Wala.
Fernandez.
Si Chris Paul.
Wala.
Bilis.
Ayun na si Apsay.
Ano lang, Jeff?
Apsay. Nagmamadali. Binigay
Rad.
ng kalaban.
Wala.
No good. Miranda.
Marami na yung violation.
Miranda. Timeout. Essentials. Day edition.
Wala. Nandun si George number 18.
Shout out sa ating live viewers dyan. Sa ating mga sponsors. To Fan Tires. Umag Express Cargo. G&G Apparel. Essential Thrifting. Abnormalities. Daily Tees. There goes Karandang for an easy 2 basket.
Ball now. Pass to shoot.
Miranda.
Ball for 2.
There's a foul call. Number 29, Fernandez. Walang foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Miranda.
It's deadlock now. Last 45 seconds. Ball now. Ball.
Miranda first shot is good.
It's ball now. 14 to shoot. 43 points by Upside.
Wala. Rebound by Mike.
Polanca.
TLAs.
Polanca sa malaksak.
Hey.
Jersey 6, Manalo.
Foul called number 16, De La Rama.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ilan si De La Rama?
43.
First personal foul, penalty.
5. Wala na.
Ace, first shot is good.
Walang penalty. Jersey number 6.
Wala nang oras.
Wala nang oras.
28-27.
25-21. That's the end of the second quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game. Shout out sa GNG Apparel.
Bota, baka may time.
Share the live.
Let's go. This one. Oi.
Back to the ball game.
Jola. Ay. Jersey. Rivera. That is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Score natin 21-25. Essentials up by 4.
Pasok.
The start of the third quarter. Javi setting the play. Mike open three. That's Mike. 3 points. Hindi nakuha ng play.
Complete 2 points para kay Gio Palanca.
Miranda.
Rivera now.
Here goes Pupilero. Dance. Babawi. Binale. Wala.
Resty.
Good rebound by Mike.
Resty sasala.
Doing his best.
Malakas ang pasa ni Mr. Resty.
Sulit.
Javi, baba ka, Javi. Para may pwesto sa ilalim.
Araneta.
Guzman.
Dumiskarte. There's a foul called.
Traveling violation.
Number 19. First personal foul.
Tangga muna.
Talinio.
Puro ay shooter dyan.
First team foul starting third quarter for Team
Rivera
Sonics.
now setting the play. Romero.
Araneta first shot is good.
Tua.
Lumalaki, lumolobo ulit. 29-21. Ay. Wala.
Hey, 1-2-2. 1-2-2.
Talinio.
14 to shoot. Rivera.
Bad
to
pass
JB.
there. Bad connection.
JB to Rivera. Good for 2 points by Mr. Rivera.
Araneta.
Shooting now.
King, down, down, down.
Nicola. To Gio Polanca.
Setting the play.
Good
Mike.
connection.
14 to shoot.
He scored 30.
Mike Paden. Another 3-point shot. In and out.
Romero again.
Talinio.
Pass to Tort. Tort. Salaksa.
Talinio.
Mike Casala foul.
To Aiki. Aiki.
Jersey number 69.
Oton 14 to shoot.
That is
Talinio
short.
10 to shoot. Oton step back. In and out. Talinio's
First
there
personal
offensive rebound and
foul. First team
connects.
foul.
2 points by Talinio. First 2-pointer of the game.
Shout out kay Mark Santos.
Lead down to 6.
Kay Tart na naman. Tart. Another Tart. Tart. I love
Araneta.
you.
Villaflor. Open
Wow,
three, no
Gio
good.
Polanca.
Ayan na nga. Popelero. Ayan na, nakalusot. Ike's there.
Pasok para kay
Wala.
Mr. Tart.
Sulit.
Last.
King, sa'yo, King. Kaya mo, King.
Ready jumper.
Nice one.
Complete.
Sulit, 2 points.
Scored 34-31.
Ginamitan ng edad. That's Sulit, number 31.
Jersey number 20. Warning.
31-23.
Now, nagmamadali si Mr. Guzman. Shooting. To Medjola.
Good defense by Araneta.
Guzman.
Araneta, 2 points. Timeout!
Rebound by Tart.
Sonic drifting.
Romero, 42.
Dailies,
Romero,
abnormalities,
sidestep.
Care Dant,
Tart.
events.
Tart ang rebound, malalim. Mayan, masyado malakas nandun si Guzman. Guzman! Nasaan?
Talinio.
Sabrep.
No good. Rebound
Sabrep.
by Aiki.
Fall in.
Aiki didiscarte,
Upside in.
fade away.
Jamie out.
No good. Ako ng bola. Araneta.
Reserve something.
Araneta. Sulit.
Now.
Open 3. Sulit.
Romero.
No good. Rebound by Aiki.
Tuwang-tuwa ni Medjola. Medjola, bye-bye!
Aiki to Talinio.
Sayang.
Traveling violation.
Romero again. Romero. Spin. Mahina.
Javi.
Foul. Rivera. Rivera, that is your second personal foul.
Villaflor to Sulit. 14 to shoot.
Second team foul.
Mike. 2 points.
Ito na si Guzman. Guzman.
1
to
point
Shootex.
lead.
Shootex. May tubig dito.
Talinio.
Jersey number 6. Javier. Wala.
Dance 2 points.
Start.
Wala.
Habol na tres, habol
Ball
na.
now.
Habol tayo.
Another ball. Ball, 14 to shoot.
Corner. Kagi
To Rivera. Rivera sumalaksak.
Villaflor. That's Villaflor.
3 seconds.
To Reed. 2 points.
Zola, Javier, ang bilis ng pangyayari.
For the views lang, for the views.
Score! 35-34. Balikatan lang. To Paul again. Paul. Di alam kung sino papasan. Nakuha ni Gio
Araneta.
Polanca. Gio Polanca again. Gio
14 to shoot.
Sabre.
2 points.
Reserve. Start now.
Kuha kayong dead ball.
Start. Foul. Simon.
Time out! Essentials. That's Evangelista, 2-point play. Score natin. 39-27. Pasok ang mga sasab. Last 3 minutes sa ating third quarter.
Magkano nabigay? Magkano nabigay?
Second bonus shot para kay Tart. Pasok. Complete 2 points para kay Mr. Tart. Ayan na si Mingjola. Mingjola na nagmamadali.
Miranda.
Sa bounce pass to Guzman.
And one! That's Miranda.
Gio Polanca.
Hands, number 3, foul. First personal foul.
He scored 39-36.
Team foul, team foul.
Substitution. First team foul. Pasok lang, pasok lang. Javi out, sulitin.
For 3. Wala. Gio Polanca now. Bounce
Bonus
pass
shot for Miranda.
to Guzman. Guzman to Mendiola. Mendiola to Gio Polanca. Nice
2-point play is good by Miranda.
He scored 41-36.
Single digit na lang yan.
Ng shooting.
9-point lead. Araneta bumawi agad? Wala. Sa kanila pa din? Sa kanila pa din? Who's foul? Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 4, foul.
Wala. Another
Araneta.
foul. Wala.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Javier. That is a second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Last touch.
Pasok.
Ayun na, chance.
Wala. Jola na to Javier. Sabre. Sabre.
My name is Jerry.
Upside out. Manalo in.
Gonna pick you up tomorrow from HQ at 6:30. Sino foul?
Ball now.
Number 4, foul. Evangelista, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Guzman. Paul. Paul, that is short. Second personal foul.
I'm gonna pick you up tomorrow.
Third team foul. Bonus shot para kay Mr. Guzman.
Maybe around 5 a.m. Yeah. See you.
Last 20 seconds.
Second shot is good.
15. 10.
Substitution.
Hi, Jaya. I'm gonna pick you up tomorrow at 6 a.m.
5.
Second team foul. Third team foul.
Muntikan na lumabas. End of the third quarter. Dito na magkakaalaman ang
Kailangan
third
na.
quarter na to.
Careful. Sa Tigal.
Tama, take time, take time.
Clapping, taunting.
Take time, take time.
Kailan yun? Tulo?
Tatlo.
Okay, last quarter na tayo.
Wala.
Fourth
End of the
quarter.
third quarter. 10 ang lamang.
Pasok, pasok.
Pasok na po.
Bola ng Brits.
Pasok na, pasok na. Late na tayo.
Let's go, let's Jamie.
Miranda.
Romero for
Uy!
3. Wala.
Vinyas. Ang lalim nun.
Ball.
That's Vinyas for a 2-point play. Cutting the lead into 8. Single digits ulit.
Javier now.
Shout out.
Javier.
Kurt Sian Fernandez. Ayan, tumira si tatay mo. Wala. Miranda.
JB.
Miranda. Blocked by Villaflor. Good defense there. Corner.
Nagmamadali si Mr. Javier spin. Uy, sayang. Jersey number 8, that is your first personal foul.
Miranda.
First team foul in fourth quarter.
No good.
Resting.
Rebound by Jesus.
Wala. Javier. Second.
Shout out starting live viewers. Share the live. And let everyone enjoy the game. This is Kings Basketball Tuesday edition.
Pasok.
Villaflor, no good. De La Rama. Ay, Wolf is there. Corrects. 2 points. Grabe ang pasa nun. That's De La Rama feeding Wolf.
Rivera for 3. Wala. Javier nagmamadali.
Ace to Villaflor. Open 3. Fake. Dumiretso. Nilapag. Wala. Agawan ng bola. Rebound by Wolf.
Shooting.
There's a foul. Foul number 24.
JB all alone. Finger all.
Team foul. First personal foul. Villaflor first team foul. First team is
Javier
cancelled.
now. Shooting.
Miranda.
Javier.
Villas. Wala.
Shot. Good for 2 points by Mr.
Yellow ball.
Reserve sub tayo. JB now. Reserve sub. JB. No good. Shooting sa bola.
Ace. No good.
To Javier.
Foul.
May kasama
Ace.
pang foul.
Ilang foul?
Sobre.
Substitution.
Pasok.
Number 9 out. Wolf.
Saldua.
Substitution.
Okay.
Wolf.
Ball shot para kay Javier.
Papelero in.
Pasok.
Ilang foul si Ace?
Second personal foul. Ace.
Romero na nagmamadali. Romero.
Second team foul.
Step. Wala pa rin.
De La Rama. Oy. Vinyas. No good. Ike is there. No good pa din. That's Vinyas. Timeout. Essential. Score natin. 40-36.
Nagmamadali si JB. Wala pa rin. Let's power up. JB, that is your second personal foul, third team foul.
Shout out sa ating sponsors. Shout out Mike Santos. Happy viewing there. Back to the ball game.
Yeah. Reserve sub. Uy, ganda naman ng move na yun. Romero. Huli. Javier na naman. Javier. Kukuha ng puwersa. Jump shot. Good for 2 points man. Simon!
Mike to Sulit. To De Jesus. Pumake ulit. Traveling.
Lumaki na ang kalamangan ng shootings. Mababa pa. 5 minutes and 58
Ayan na.
seconds. Okay, back to the ball.
Ooh.
Let's go.
That's Ike. For a nice block there.
Habang mainit pa ang
Parang si
laban.
Japet Aguilar lang yan.
Blitz ang bola.
Uy! That's foul. Ike. First personal foul.
Ball now.
Aba, huwag ka sa'yo magalit. Di ako referee. First team foul.
Romero.
2 shots for Jesus.
Yes. Wala. Rebound ni jersey number 69.
Japet Aguilar yun eh.
Jesus, first shot is good.
Javier spin. Jump shot. Good for 2 points by Mr. Javier.
De Jesus, second shot.
Ball now.
Oh, there's violation.
To JB. JB for 3. Wala talaga.
Entering.
Rebound by Javier. Ayan na naman. Javier.
Last 5 minutes.
Sabrep. Javier out.
Miranda.
Gio Polanca in.
Good pass there. De La Rama. 2 points. Tatlo na lang.
Ball. Wala pa rin. Si Romero. Romero. Short. JB.
Mike using his space. Using his body, 2 points.
Jersey number 7, that is your first personal
Pasok.
foul.
Lima.
Team foul.
Capellero! 2 points. Tatlo ulit.
Pasok.
This is Tuesday Kings Basketball.
Shout out sa GMG para Tongfan Tire.
Umac Express Cargo.
Kings Basketball.
Sulit! 2 points.
Advanced timeout. Reserve timeout tayo ha.
Miranda.
Jersey number 69. To ball.
Delarama.
Ay, palpal.
Delarama! Bola. Agawa ng bola. Bola nino.
Third now. Third.
Same ball.
Third. Si Mama. Ay.
Ayay! 10 to shoot.
Shooting.
Foul call, De Jesus. Substitution. Rama out. Otton in. De Jesus sila na. First personal foul, De Jesus.
The score 54-41. Lamang ang shooting.
13 foul. Vinia's first shot is good.
Let's go dyan.
Let's go. Back to the ball game.
Reserve sub. Villaflor.
Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Romero to Rivera. Rivera sa
Foul. Sulit.
Who's fouled up? Number 10.
Substitution.
That is your
Pasok na. Sino papalitan?
second personal foul.
Ace out.
Team foul.
Sino pa isa? Sulit out.
Wala.
Araneta. Javi in.
Second bonus shot para kay Mr.
Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Wala pa rin.
Penalty na ba? O going to the basket?
Warning for penalty.
Bola. Jersey Poranga.
First shot, no good.
Jersey number 69.
Second shot is good.
40 to shoot. Who's fouled up? Park.
Ayay.
Third personal foul. Warning for
Javi. 14 to shoot.
Last
Villaflor, no good.
2 minutes.
Miranda.
10 to shoot.
Jump ball.
5. Kuha ni JB.
Green ball.
Ayan pala si JB. Nasa ilalim na si JB. Good for 2 points by Mr. JB.
Ha? Wait.
Ayan na. Si jersey number 10 na Bear.
Yellow.
To Calpoas. Yes, sir.
Yellow ball.
JB again.
Yellow ball.
JB 40 to shoot. JB. Again. Wala pa rin. Sayang.
14 to shoot.
Jersey number 69.
Another block by Aiki.
Javier.
8 to shoot.
Spin. Rabbit violation. Sabret.
Sulit.
Dua.
Wala.
Number 16. In.
Papayano.
Ayan na si Paul.
Foul call. Penalty.
Ay, kickball.
Si foul.
Kita.
31.
Last 46 seconds.
Ilan si Sulit?
Ayan na.
31. Penalty na.
Suke. 10.
31. Foul.
5. Wala pa rin. Rivera. To Romero. Romero now. Last 30 seconds. Romero. Wala.
Second personal foul. Sulit.
Isa
Penalty.
pa. Kung panalo. Wala pa rin. 17.
Wala.
15.
Rebound by Javi. Javi to sulit.
Again, 2 points.
2-point lead.
9.
Good
5.
defense.
4 to read.
14 to shoot.
Wala na.
Video floor. Time out.
Congratulations,
Sonic.
Q-Tex.
Foul Rick! And
Evan. Popolaro 2 points. Who's foul? Number 11. Javi. Ilan si Javi? First personal foul, Javi.
First team pa.
First team foul pa lang kayo. Popolaro in and out. 40, 48, 45. Oh, pa pre. 14 to shoot. Good defense there by Miranda. Ayay. Foul called, penalty. Number 4. Ilan sa foul? Number 4. Second personal foul. Araneta. Substitution. Substitution. Javi out, Desusin.
Sige lang.
Pasok mo rebounder, may tama to.
Third time out, nakarito nyo. 17.
Miranda, first shot is good.
Ay, sa'yo, ay! Binyas!
This is a crucial play.
Rama! Huwag ka lang magpakinig sa akin, baba ka na!
Boses a good timeout. Essentials. Isa lang yan, mga pare ko. Isa lang yan. First team foul pa lang kayo ha, Team Sonics. First team foul pa lang, Team Sonics. 17 seconds.
Foul!
16 lang, 16.
16. Bilis yung ako.
16 seconds. 16. Second team foul. Sino na foul?
Ay!
Si Miranda yun na foul, no? Warning for graduate na si Miranda. Miranda, warning for graduate. 15. Third team foul. Third team foul. 18. Papelero, ilan na?
Sub.
Substitution. Miranda out. Talino in. Second personal foul, Papelero. Third team foul.
Tatakbo talino! Tatakbo yan! Hoy!
Foul, De La Rama. Warning for penalty.
Walang foul!
Isa. Isa.
Walang foul!
Second personal foul, De La Rama. Time out! Essentials. Shout out, Sir Amson. Ayay! Ayan na. Wala pa din. Agawa ng bola, ay Giselle. Wala pa din. Papalaman siya. And that's the game! Ang dami noon. Congratulations, Essentials. Second win nyo ba, di ba? Second win. Congratulations, Essentials.